Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions. Adam and Sammy are students in the same class. Sammy is very smart. He learns quickly and always gets good grades. Adam is not very fast. He needs more time to understand things. At the beginning of the year, Sammy is number 1 in the class. Adam is number 10. But something changes. Sammy thinks,
I am smart. I don't need to study much.
So he plays video games and watches TV. He does his homework quickly and doesn't check it. Sometimes he doesn't do it at all. Adam is different. He studies every day. He asks questions. He reads and watches videos to help him understand. He studies at the library after school. At night, he studies alone in his room. Sometimes he studies until very late. He makes mistakes, but he learns from them. After a few months, there is a big exam. Sammy thinks,
This is easy. I don't need to study.
Adam studies hard every day before the test. The day of the exam comes. Sammy finishes the exam very quickly and leaves early. Adam stays longer and checks his answers carefully. 1 week later, the teacher gives the results. Adam is the first in the class. Sammy is number 5. He is surprised. Adam is proud. He worked hard, and now he is number 1. Adam smiles and says,
Hard work is more important than being fast or smart. Working hard and never giving up is the key to success.
Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number 1 bullshit guy.
Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments. 1. What number is Adam in the class at first? 2. Does Sammy study a lot? 3. Do you study like Adam or like Sammy? True or false? Adam gives up when he makes mistakes. Sammy is number 1 at the end of the story. Sammy watches TV and plays games.
Student, student, class, class, homework, homework, grade, grade, library, library, question, question, understand, understand, study, study, learn, learn, every day, sometimes, sometimes, after school, early, early, late, late, quickly, quickly, fast, fast, slow, slow, smart, smart, try, try, hard work, give up, different, different, surprised, surprised. Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.